How do you get in on the act to supersize and grow your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And there's been a Barbie filter on Facebook for the longest time. So today, when I decided I'm going to use it, because it kind of fits with this idiom about getting in on the act, lo and behold, it's not available. Murphy's Law. I guess I'm not supposed to be a Barbie. Never have been, never will be. But the point was, when we say we want to get on the act, it means we want to jump on board something that someone else started or that somebody else is already doing in terms of riding the wave of the thing that they've started. It might be a project, it might be a cause, it might be a trend like the Barbie movie. You know, the Barbie's been the hit movie this year, and it's a very entertaining movie, especially if you grew up with Barbies. But the point is, to get in on the act means we're jumping on something that's already existing. You'll see people do this a lot with their marketing. They'll jump on, well, think of all the sales and merchandising that rides along the coattails of different holidays, different seasons. The same thing happens with marketing when people will hop on the media, the news media. They'll take popular videos on social media and then they'll attach their message to it. Sometimes they're related. A lot of times they're not, which is just lazy marketing, in my humble opinion. So get on the bandwagon, or get on the bandwagon. Same thing, right? We're getting on the bandwagon. We had a lady in my hometown that actually painted rental property she has to gain publicity to try to get on her own reality TV show. Not sure why, but she painted her house Barbie pink and decorated it all Barbie-ish just to get the publicity. And she actually got worldwide publicity. She was on the Daily Wire and other things, which is exactly what she wanted. Brilliant marketing. Don't love it personally, but that it doesn't matter whether I like it or not. It's obviously effective. And sometimes we have to do things. I say we do things that are effective, that match our core values and goals and objectives. But obviously that works for a lot of people. A lot of people are shameless hustlers and marketers, and good for them because they get the result that they want. This is a relatively new idiom. It's from the theater and show business. Of course, you know, get in on the act, meaning people wanted to join performances or shows, live shows that were already popular. You know, they wanted to be the actor or actress or performer that joined into that particular act that was already being performed, and travel around with it or get their own notoriety based on that. So that became popular in the late 19th, early 20th century as show business and film. And nowadays, social media, people are jumping on the bandwagon. I've got a coach that purports and teaches the Dream 100, which means find the 100 magical people that are already talking with your dream customers and form relationships and partnerships and affiliate relationships with them in order to reach the people that you're here to reach faster. So we can find examples of it all over the place. Get in on the act. I love it when it's used in a positive way to make the world a better place, to reach people we wouldn't reach otherwise and actually help them and add value to their lives. I don't like it when it's used in a sleazy way or when it's matched up with things that just are to promote the person that wants to be promoted and they don't make any sense for the people that they're here to serve. That's my opinion again. Love to know your take on get in on the act. Do you find creative ways to get in on the act, get in the news cycle, the media flow, what's going on in the world, global events? You know, pandemic was probably the opposite of getting in on the act. Everybody's act was shut down and there weren't very many acts to get in on. But now that the world is back to semi-normal, there's lots of opportunities to grow and build and supersize your business by finding positive ways to get in on the act. All right, have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to grow and build and supersize your business? Have an awesome day.